Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm showing you how to replace a oil cooler or coolant O-ring gasket on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. This is also for the 8th gen. Any other vehicles with the same part number, everything, like always, will be in the description below. So I'm gonna set you on the chopper and let's get started. Now we're gonna remove the wheels. Alright, so now we're gonna remove the filter. Even though we drained the oil, there's still gonna be oil behind the filter. And especially since I just replaced the oil pan. So we're gonna turn it towards the back. So it's not coming out, so they probably over tightened it, so I'm just gonna get a screwdriver. I'm gonna bang it in. And then now I'm gonna turn it. Probably get a bigger screwdriver. We're going up the screwdriver. There we go. It should be loose enough now. It's crazy that it's still this much oil. So gonna let that drain. I'm gonna get some paper towels, well, shop towels. Clean this up once it's dry. Wash my hands and then be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna dry this off a bit. I'm not gonna worry about here because once we remove this piece right here, more oil is gonna come out. Alright, you're gonna need a 21 mil. I'm gonna try to fit my impact in here. Let's see. Alright. Should be loose now. I should have turned the wheel, but I already got the car up in the air. So, there we go. Now we're gonna move the little nut. And like I said, more oil is gonna come out. I'm gonna clean this off real quick. Now the coolant's drained. I'm gonna turn this. The O-ring is right here. So I'll peel this off. Definitely not in the way. So I can use this, pull it out. Now there's no particular reason why I'm replacing this other than the fact that the mileage on this car, well, it ain't bad. It's only 145,000. But I wanna, since I did the oil pan, I figured I'd sit there and change the all the gaskets as well. So I'm just cleaning up everything, getting the old gasket out. So I see some gasket marker in here as well. I highly doubt that's factory. I could be wrong. So we'll clean this up. I'm gonna clean this up. I know there's still oil leaking out from here, which I'm kind of surprised how much oil is still in here, because I just did an oil pan gasket. Oil pan. Yeah, I think that's all the oil. Coolant still slowly dripping out. So we're gonna get our new gasket now. Part number 2134049, and it's Nancy 00, A as in Alpha. So I guess this had a leak or something, because this gasket around the O-ring. So I know it might have been replaced before, but I'm gonna do it the right way. So the little lip goes inside these. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can see where I'm pointing at. So the stem part goes underneath here. So let's slide it in. All right. Is everything seated properly? Nope. All right, so it should look like that. The lip sitting right underneath these. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As so. And then now we're gonna put this back. All right, so now we're gonna put this back. Put the bolt through. Alright, let me make sure it's still seated. Alright, it's still seated properly. So just gonna make sure the hose line up, and then put the bolt through and start hand tightening it. Alright, so I can't turn it no more. I'm drying my hands off. This done with more coolant. I also did just did a coolant flush on this too. So I haven't put the factory coolant back in. Why did I turn the clamp to the side? Alright, I'm gonna have to pry this hose back off. Coolant line. I got the clips turned to the side. So I'm gonna turn them upwards. That's clean the tip off. Alright. Now I'll put the clamp back to its position. There you go. Now it's moving. Let it go right there. Now I'll clean up all this oil and everything and coolant that leaked. And then I'm gonna drain that too. Should give me a little more space. Right. I'll hit it one more time. Alright. That's good. So now we're gonna get our filter. Alright, so we're gonna get our filter. Get the plastic off. And then we're just gonna dab this in the oil just to get it wet. Got a little bit too much. And then we're gonna put the filter back on. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna finally fill the motor back up with oil. I'm gonna take out the oil cap. And you also gotta put coolant back in the car. And it's 5W30. I'm using AMS oil, but it uses 5 quarts. Now just fill the car motor back up with coolant. Get the damn cap off. But I'm gonna finish my coolant flush on this, and then I'll put the Nissan OEM fluid. That'll be in an upcoming video of me actually putting Nissan coolant back in this motor. But that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.